Easily prep meals right on your grill with Napoleon's Pro bamboo cutting board with stainless steel bowls. At 13 by 18 inches and 2 1/8 inches in height, it's the perfect size for chopping, prepping, and slicing everything from cloves of garlic to whole roasts. Durable and sturdy, the Pro bamboo cutting board is built thick to prevent warping and cracking. Better still, bamboo has naturally occurring antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, making it the perfect choice in cutting board material. The clever construction of this cutting board holds 2 stainless steel bowls that are perfect for holding your prepped food that tuck beneath the cutting board for a clutter-free prep area, and a convenient drip channel for when you're slicing into that perfectly cooked meat. It catches the juices and directs them to a waiting bowl, eliminating any messy spills. The Napoleon's Pro bamboo cutting board with stainless steel bowls.